Hello friends, today in this video I will show you Microsoft Store apps taking a long time to load in Windows 10 or 11. So it is very easy to fix it. So first you need to search troubleshoot settings and open it. Other troubleshoots, just click on it. Now Windows Update, click on Run. Now wait some few minutes, this process will be complete. If this process will be complete, so close it. Now search CMD and click on run as administrator. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now I need to type this command line sfc space slash scan. Now press enter. Now wait some few minutes, this processor will be 100%. If this process will be 100%, you see this, so close it and restart your PC or laptop, and after restart your problem will be fixed. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching.